Dear students, we will discuss characteristics of online news and how online news and its characters are different from mainstream traditional media. Online journalism is simply a contemporary format of print journalism distributed via the internet. Since it has a different structure from the traditional one, it has its distinguished principles, features, and of course, its technological elements. Online journalism, the same as conventional journalism, has its unique characteristics. The main distinction of online journalism is being immediate, interactive, yet there are other features. Number one is immediacy. Online news is always immediate as events occur. Interactivity. Online readers can interact with online content by commenting, reacting, or even sharing. And then it comes hypertextuality. Online journalists could add hyperlinks that relate their content to their context. And then it comes multimediality. Online journalists could attach images, audios, videos, and data visualization to enrich their product content. And then it comes shifted time. Online content is always available every time. Even if the content is archived, readers can still access them anytime. And then the characteristic is real time. Online news could be published in real time, and journalists could provide updated breaking news and events as they happen. And then there are certain principles. As online journalism has unique features that differentiate it from conventional one, it also has its own game rules which online journalists must allow to attract their target audience. Number one is interactivity, as already mentioned. And then there is scannability. Scannability means people online don't read, they scan. So, to succeed in catching the online reader's attention and make them stop by to read your piece of content, published articles must use specific techniques. And then it comes the influence of technology. Technology has given added value to online journalism and made it interactive. It also enabled online journalism to use various types of media content, for example, text, video, images, audio, and data visualization. Not to mention that such media type has its typical usage and impact. Thus, journalists must know what kind of media works best for what type of content. Text stories analyzing complicated topics is very important. You should be, and our online journalists should be able to analyze complicated topics. And then photos. A well-captured movement photograph is gateway to delivering human emotions. And then it comes videos, stories involving action, data visualization, sorting complex topics and figures using visuals and conveying them to catchy informative content, make audience easily extract valuable insights, and it combines all the above mentioned types of media: text, images, videos, and data visualization. It is interactively presented in an article where the information provided by each medium is harmonized and not redundant. That is, different parts of the story are told using different medium. The takeaway point is that journalists must know the best medium to convey each segment of the story. Dear students, I wish you all the best.